All right, good morning, YouTube. Got a product review today, a little bit of an unboxing. New came in today, the special ops case from Element Case. Personally, I believe that Element Case makes the best iPhone cases or any phone cases of anybody. They are very stylish, very protective. They're expensive, but they're excellent cases. In fact, my old iPhone 8 has an Element case. My 4 had an Element case, and I've recommended Element cases to several other people. Everyone that gets an Element case loves it. Yes, they're expensive, but excellent case. Okay, here it is. Nothing too special. It's a box. Special ops. What's it say? Aggressively rugged military-grade protection for iPhone 12, 12 Pro. Tactical field rated, designed in the USA, exceeds military spec protection. Double reinforced shock deflection armor technology. Clear shell plating, scratch resistance. Wow, so much stuff. So much stuff. All right, all that for a rubber shell with smoke plastic clear back. It's got some buttons. I don't know. Kind of jaded on this one. I'm used to the Element cases being so awesome, and this particular one is just, I don't know, it's kind of underwhelming to me. And considering it costs 50 bucks versus the $12 case I bought to protect my phone until this one came in the mail, I almost prefer the $12 case, to be honest with you. I may end up sending this one back, but let's switch phones so I can record with the other one, with my old phone, and show what this case looks like, what the phone looks like inside the case and the fit and finish and stuff, and I'll make a decision if I'm sending it back or not. Okay, back to recording now on the iPhone 8, so I can show a side-by-side comparison of the $12.99 case from Amazon versus the $46 Element case. I don't know, this $12 case is actually pretty darn stylish. It's protective. It's got a screen cover. I'm not a huge fan of screen covers myself, but it's pretty solid. I've had it on for a week now, and I do like it. But I'm gonna go ahead and take the phone out of this case, put it in this case, and see what we think then. All right, got the phone out of the Amazon case. Gonna go ahead and put it inside the Element case. Should just pop right in there, I guess. Oh, I'm gonna need two hands for this. There, you film. Wow, that is a tight fit. Okay, got the phone inside the case. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of screen protectors, so I no longer have a screen protector. This didn't start out as a comparison video between the two cases, but I don't know. So this has a little bit more of a protective edge. It sticks up further, but it's also got a screen cover, which I don't care for. This one doesn't stick up quite as far. It's got some pronounced bumpers on the corner, which those are nice. I do like that because it's nice when you have it in your back pocket and you go to reach back and pull it out. These pronounced corners help you grab your phone and slide it out, where a case like this doesn't have anything like that. So it's a little slipperier, I suppose, like if you're wearing gloves or something. The buttons on the side, they're fine. They're silver instead of black like the rest of the case. I did notice on the website they show the buttons as being red, so I don't know why they're now gray instead of red like they were on the website. The back, I don't know. It is what it is. It's not overly stylish. I do like some of their old cases, like the Ion had carbon fiber. The Rev had kind of a cool design on it. I do miss their carbon fiber cases. This is just like ribbed plastic. It's okay. It's nothing special. You don't really see the Apple through it too much. I might throw a Punisher sticker inside there or something and make it a little more stylish than this. I do notice one thing is the camera opening. This doesn't stick out very deep on this side. And I know it's all about these days keeping your cases thin and your phones thin, but these cameras are almost level with the edge of the case. And I keep going back to this $12 case from Amazon. The camera, it was thicker case, and the camera sits further back inside the recess there. So to me, that would provide a lot better protection for the camera. Now, I don't know with the camera sitting further back if it ever makes interference with the pictures or flash or anything. I suppose that's possible. Anyway, so I mean that's the case. Okay, so in conclusion, I love Element Case. Huge fan of the company. Huge fan of their cases. I'm kind of underwhelmed by this case though. It's not overly stylish. I wouldn't consider it overly protective. It's just okay for the price. I would expect much better out of Element Case for the price than this particular case. They usually have real stylish, real protective cases, and this one just kind of feels like it was slapped together and thrown out there. Quite honestly, if I hadn't have ordered it before the phone shipped, or at the same time the phone shipped, and got this $12.99 case from Amazon in the meantime, I probably just would have kept this $12.99 case. It's plenty good to me. It's stylish. It provides adequate protection. I'll probably end up keeping this Element Case one just because I like Element Case, but it's not blown away this time, guys. Kind of wish you had more stuff to offer right out of the gate this time around. Anyway, thanks for watching.